Alright, sorry that this video took so long for, um, like the part 2 of, like, this tutorial, but, I just kind of, I use these tutorials, if I'm being honest, as a kind of, if I have no more ideas, which I know is not, probably the most charming thing to hear, but that's just the truth, if I'm being honest. Also, if you're seeing this on Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you're seeing this on any other holiday, Happy Holidays, yada yada yada. Anyway, let's get on with it. Alright, to start, well, first of all, I'm going to lock Freddy's microphone. Alright, there we go. First thing I'm going to do is teach you how to attach IK rigs. Now, I'm not the best IK rigger myself, but you're going to want to go to, this is an add-on to download, so, here, you're going to type in auto rigger and download it. I have version 1.9 for this tutorial. Right click on I'm gonna call it the name of the model for now on. I'm not sure if that's what it's officially called or if the community calls it, but I'm gonna call it the name of the model. You're gonna want to go to auto rigger, and then you're gonna get this. This looks advanced, but usually, what you have here is what you're gonna want. Then you can create script. You can edit this, but I'm not gonna teach you how to do that. You could just do that yourself. It's pretty simple to understand. Create script. Oh yeah, make sure that's enabled. But now if you go here, rig, you should see the rig there, and you can just kind of screw around with it. I'm not gonna use it, but I felt like I should teach. That, especially since IK rigs are extremely common. But I'm not gonna use that. So sorry. So I'm just gonna pose them here. I know I just said I'm not gonna use it, but I mean, sometimes I use them just to skip a few steps. Call me lazy, but I mean, it's just kind of simple to do. Save some time. Well, that's about right. Alright, so got this. Hold on. There we go. I got this pose, and um, now I'm gonna teach you how to add particles like dust for what I'm gonna use in this example. So you're gonna go to, first of all, you can download particles too. I already got mine. But yeah. Then you're gonna want to go to create new animation set for particle system, or whatever. Okay, so I just realized that in the tutorial while I was editing that in the tutorial um I didn't teach you how to get to the particles. Like I taught you that you go to browse and stuff, but like maybe you've tried this before and you're just on a different thing. Like you're on a different you're on a different file. Let's just say here. You're gonna want to go to you're gonna want to go to fuck, I can't remember this right now. You're gonna want to go to Program Files, Steam, and then Steam Apps. Okay, go to Common. Then you're gonna want to find Source Filmmaker, Game, and then you can go to you can go to Team Fortress for default particles and stuff, or you can go to Workshop and then Particles. And now you're here. Fourth one. Then just click on. You may have to go through some files, but yeah, you can set the time here. Just set it to some number. And now, if you go through the shot, then back into the shot, you should see them. This is super useful for just enhancing your shots and your map. I really like them. I use them in damn near all my videos, except for the ones that take place in the void, just because I think it looks cool. Now for teaching how to export an image. So I'm gonna make a few changes here. I know. Just give me a second. Alright, so now I made my changes and I'm going to export it. So to export an image, you're going to want to go to File and Export, or you can just click Control M, save your changes, go to Image Sequence, then redirect the file to the SFM, either random images or SFM animations. I have a completely separate thing for random images. And then just name it. I'm going to name it tutorial image 1. And then you're going to want to go to duration sequence, change it to from sequence to custom, seconds to frames, and then frames to how many you want. I'm going to put 1, and then export movie. Now, you should have it. Yeah, now I have it. Cool. And for some of my thumbnails, I use source. Shut the f up. I use Krita, which is a free drawing application. I use it to edit images. I just, you know, like doing that for like adding text and stuff. Bye.